In this video, we will show you how to change the sash balances on a 5700 series window. First step, unlock your window. Then, remove the sash stops at both jambs. There are two sash release clips, one on each side. You might be able to get your finger under there or use a flathead screwdriver. Next, raise your sash until the balances catch on the release clips. Make sure the balances on both sides are stopped by the release clips. Once you raise the sash above this point, the sash will feel loose in the frame. Raise the sash, slide it to one side, and pivot out the frame. Change out your balance. When installing your new balance, make sure the double fold part of the clip is installed into the jamb and flush. Lower the balance with a little tension and slide the top of the balance up under the clip. Next, we'll reinstall the sash the opposite way that it was removed. Slide in one side to the jamb and pivot. You'll want to center the sash in the frame to ensure that the sash catches both balances. Lower the sash. Flatten the sash release clips. Reinstall your sash stops and make sure the sash operates properly when raised and closed. You have now completed the task of changing out your 5700 series balances.